Alright guys, hello Goon Squad, we are at it again. Champions Path. Today we have the Turffield Gym box collection. This has a pin and a promo Eldegoss and 3 booster packs. Pretty cool. There's 3 different gym pin collections for the first 3 gyms. There's everybody's favorite grass gym leader Milo on the back. And the reject Whimsicott evolution. It's actually, Eldegoss, but it looks like it could be like Gigantamax Whimsicott or something. What's the best way to open this? They're right there. I love the packaging on here. It's very shiny. All the energy symbols on there. Looks very cool. There's our 3 packs of Champions Path. Let's take a look at this pin. It's pretty nice. Gym badge pin. I want to get all of them. I'm going to get all of them. And you're going to watch me open all of them. So, yeah. Here's that Eldegoss for you. Doesn't look like there's a... Oh, there's a promo. Code card for the Eldegoss. Just in case you might want it. It's not bad. Okay, it's kind of bad. But, hey. You can use it online if you want. Let's start off with Obstagoon, because he's pretty cool. So, what's the best way to do this? Code card for you all today. Team Yell Grunt. Bead. The light's kind of causing glare. That's better. Sharpedo. Swablu. Kakuna. Pokeball. Machop. Hatena, Reverse Carvana, and a rare Machamp. Which we already got one of these in our last video. If you guys didn't see that, we opened a double V box in our last video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. We are doing lots of Champions Path openings, so stay tuned for that. Here's a code card. I'll do 4 this time. We'll energy on front. There's a water. Lipard. Bead. Pierce. Vulpix. Inkay. Pokeball. Sizzlipede. Galarian Zigzagoon. There's a reverse Marnie. Very nice. And another Machamp. That's number 3, and her second one in a row. So, very cool. Thank you, Machop. Champions Path with the Gardevoir. Fairy Waifu. Code card for you. Got a grass energy this time. We have Arbok. Bead, Machoke, Purloin, Cute Boy, Scraggy Scrag, Pokeball, Galarian Linoon, Hatena, Reverse Roly-Coly, and Hatterene as our rare holo. Nothing amazing today, but don't you worry, because tomorrow's video we're going to the next gym. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.